Because I called and you refused to answer. I stretched out my hand and no one has paid attention to my offer, and you treated all my counsel as nothing and would not accept my reprimand. When your dread and panic come like a storm, and your disaster comes like a whirlwind, when anxiety and distress come upon you as retribution. Then they will call upon me, wisdom, but I will not answer. They will seek me eagerly but they will not find me, because they hated knowledge and did not choose the fear of the Lord, that is, obeying him with reverence and awe-filled respect. They would not accept my counsel, and they spurned all my rebuke. Therefore, they must eat the bitter fruit of living their own way, choking on their own schemes. For simpletons turn away from me, to death. Fools are destroyed by their own complacency. But all who listen to me will live in peace, untroubled by fear of harm. Making your ear attentive to skillful and godly wisdom and inclining and directing your heart and mind to understanding, applying all your powers to the quest for it. Yes, if you cry out for insight and raise your voice for understanding. If you seek skillful and godly wisdom as you would silver, and search for her as you would hidden treasures, then you will understand the reverent fear of the Lord, that is, worshiping him and regarding him as truly awesome, and discover the knowledge of God. For the Lord gives skillful and godly wisdom. From his mouth come knowledge and understanding. He stores away sound wisdom for the righteous, those who are in right standing with him. He is a shield to those who walk in integrity, those of honorable character and moral courage. He guards the paths of justice, and he preserves the way of his saints, believers.